want this message to be a positive one, because we are talking about a positive person, because I also don't really seriously believe that person like Bala sir will is no more. I mean, the term that people use, no, that oh, he's not there, and we regret that he's not there, and so on and so forth. If I know him well, he will be actually laughing and saying, "Hey, come on, where did I go? I didn't go nowhere. I just stopped working. That's about it. And I'm not being available to you, and that's the reason why you're regretting me." But then, please understand, he's always available to you, because his work and his legacy, the truthfulness in the way he has done things and the way he has gone around and helped people, definitely not known to too many people, because that's his style. This is something that is going to really make a very, very big difference in how you perceive whether he is there or he is not there. People always think that when somebody dies or goes, you say that, oh my God, he's gone. It's not that he's unhappy or happy he is gone, but it's you are unhappy or happy that the person is not there. In Bala's case, that problem is not there at all, because whether when he was around, you were all very, very happy, and the way that he has left a legacy behind, and the kind of things that he has done in his life, should make everyone who's associated with him very, very happy whenever you remember him. That's how he lives in you. That's my take on him. So one request I want all of you to from all of you at this occasion is this: that don't cry, don't have a long face, because he doesn't like it, and concentrate on whatever that he has said or he hasn't said, because most of the thing he does is not in words but in his action. Try and emulate what he could have done in that circumstances, and build your own personal leadership, commitment towards society, commitment towards people who couldn't have done what you all were capable of doing, and things of that kind. That's the best tribute that you can pay to the gentleman that I know as a very good friend whom I loved. I am very happy to say that I really loved him. He's the kind of person that I personally think should be around in building the new generation. So I'm very happy that he was able to build new generation and generations afterwards. And Balajians, if I may call you as that, have a great commitment and a role to play in the society. The role to take the words of Colonel Bala forward and try to live Colonel Bala. In the sense, all of you are Colonel Bala personified. So that's what I would personally think. And the message for the family of Bala sir is this: that the family has been his focus all the time. His wife to begin with, and the 2 children that he bequeathed to this world, and all the grandchildren, and so many cousins. In fact, many of you may not even know that he had nurtured so many cousins and so many people in his native village and so on. So his is a very, very big family. The Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam is something that all of you talk about, but then in his case it was exactly that. I've had a very, very good association with him at a very personal level, and I really don't want to go into that. It's just that one small thing I want to tell you is that he has been a soldier, and he wanted everybody else to be as disciplined as a soldier should be. And that's all that I want you to think of when it comes to him. All right, take great care of yourself, your lives, and work as what Bala was. So that's all that I want to say to you. Take care.